Hi friends, here are 5 ways to escape poverty. 5 ways to escape poverty. Number one, stop spending extravagantly. Be wise. Cut gambling. Anything that will make you to be spending, stop doing them. Survival comes before enjoyment, remember. Number two, look for a skill to learn, a skill that is already paying, that people pay for. Learn a skill. In other words, learn a skill. Number three, choose your environment deliberately. Don't surround yourself with drunkards. Choose your friends and choose your environment. Make sure your friends, your circle of friends are people that are, that will improve your life and not bring you down. Number four, save money. Make sure you are saving money. It is very, very important. Number five, increase your income. Have multiple streams of income. In that way, you escape poverty. Number six, okay, let me just add one to you. Number six, join Adashi or Ajo, or let's say contribution. Make sure you join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Join them together, and before you know it, you can improve your life financially. Thank you, and remain blessed. If you find this helpful, please like, share, drop your comments. I will love it.